How is it going on? Welcome to the new blog. Today I come with new accessories that I am going to show you. Anyway, this is not something new, but still I want to make this blog. Maybe you are wondering how expensive is this kind of things in China. Anyway, this one I just got delivery from Sunfeng. I ordered from Taobao, which is Chinese online store. And Sunfeng they sent. Yesterday we ordered and today I got this one. So this is the DJI Mini SE, which is the basic level of drone you all know. So I don't need to explain about that. I'm gonna open this one I bought is fly mode combo, and we see how the things here and what they give in fly mode combo. So let's open. Let me get the knife first and then I'll continue. Doctor, your nose has something in it. Doctor, no need to do that. I have caught this thing. Okay, scissor. Anyway, it's big box outside and it's a little bit open here. I don't know what happened. It's open here due to here. Maybe they check what they ordered. They ordered maybe something they doubt, but shouldn't be open. Okay, here is the bill. This is the bill I am going to show you. This is the box. It's empty here. I'm going to throw this one. So we continue with this one. Okay, actually I don't know. I am the beginner. I don't know about drone. I just know there is a drone, and that's it. Nothing. So I am very unknown about drone. And it's stuff. Okay, what is this? DJI Care. This is DJI Care for I think 1 year free repair or whatever. This one is 28 GB Samsung. The memory card it included in this package. This is the bill. Okay, anyway, bill. No, there is no price. Anyway, no price here. So I'm gonna talk about price as well. This is more important because you will buy somewhere else who are not living in China. You know the price, but in China, how much is it? We must know, yeah. So let's continue to tear these ones. From here it is much easier. You can see here fly more combo, bundle fly more combo. Okay, you can see here. So these are included here, probably 3 batteries plus this charger and this bag plus a memory card, and this is like just a bundle if you buy only this one. So let's open. Okay, everything is in this bag. This one don't have anything, so this one we keep away. Okay, let's see here. What is this one? Some QR code outside. Let's open it. Okay, with this bag you have drone, you have charger, and you have what you call a remote joystick. When I was playing games years ago, decade ago, it's like joystick, whatever, remote. And here have a small box. Inside probably have some wires or things. I mean, no, not wires. These are the blades. Blades. How many blades? 2, 4, 2 each means is 4, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. These are this for the remote and wire. This one, USB cables, and this one also USB cable. What else? And have one screwdriver. Okay, this is the things. What else here? Bunch of paper. I don't know what they are. I need to read later. Something maybe useful for to know the things. Okay, and this, and nothing is empty. Nothing else happened. So this is it. Let's see, open. So also open. Open. What is this? This one also, take it out. Up, little bit left. Okay, later I'll clean it. Here one more. I don't know what are they, this QR code, maybe a download app, DJ app or something else. I don't know. Here it is. I'm very unknown about drone. Okay, this is like this. Okay, I'm gonna tomorrow, or I think it's going to rain these days, so I'm not sure when to. Okay, here is the DJI Mini SE. This is what I ordered because I am the beginner for this drone. So I don't know how to do it, how to work with this one. So this is good for me to learn anyway. And obviously I can use the things for making videos as well. Anyway, most of you already know about this drone things inside. I mean, what is the characteristic or what are the features. I'm not gonna talk about this. Anyway, tomorrow maybe if the weather is good, I'm gonna try this drone, how it flies, how it works, and I'm gonna learn. Anyway, this is the cheapest one, and this one it cost actually 1,999. Is 2,000 yuan, let's say. So 2,000 yuan is the bundle package. But if you buy fly more combo package, the price is 2,999. I paid 2,999 for this package. And there is the cheapest one. There is one more drone they suggest me to buy. This is 999. Means 1,000 yuan only. This is a little bit. It's too toy, so I don't want to buy this one. So I try this drone. So this is it. If you want to know anything about this drone, you can comment down, and I will see you when I fly this one. So until that time, have a good time. Bye bye. recording or not?